Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video I will be missing another hair grease. So the one that you guys are seeing inside that bowl is the one that I used before. So I'm still using it. So I just decided to just add it to it because I just want to do everything in one place. So now I'm going to add my sulfur 8. So that's my sulfur 8 egg grease, guys. So nice. Like you can mix, if you don't like the smell of sulfur 8, you can mix it with any other hair grease. So this is my DIY version of sulfur 8. So I made this myself. The video and the link will be at the description box below, just in case you never see it. So just go and watch it. You are going to really like it. It's so helpful. So this is how it is now. It's still very solid. It's still remain the same. I've been using it, guys. Been using it on my scalp without my DIY and veggie hair fertilizer. So I've been missing that. I've been using it on my scalp, guys. So good, guys. I'm telling you, it's good so much. So here's my Pro Magic, the conditioning hair dress. So I'm also going to add this one right here. This one is really good to condition your hair. That's why I love it so much. I use it for my pre-poo. I can use it for my hot oil treatment. So here is my Daz hair grade. This is the one they use with Thor and coconut oil, I think so. This is for itchy scalp. So if you have itchy scalp, you're looking for grease that you can use, just try this that's hair grease. So you are going to like it, the dark one. This is the dark one, so you are going to kind of help to release that itching that you have in your scalp. So now I'm just going to mix this together now. So I'm also going to add my DIY mint oil. So how I make this oil, I will put it on my description box below. When I make my veggie hair fertilizer egg grease, that's when I make that oil. So now here is my DIY hair grow oil. So the video is on my channel, guys. I will just leave everything at the description box below, so you can go and check it out. Now I'm just going to mix everything together perfectly well, so to encourage that hair grow. You can add any other oil that you have, just because I make that oil and I mix it with all the oil that I have here now. So you can just add any oil of your choice that you love to use on your hair. If you also have any DIY oil that you made, you can also add it to this grease mix. It's going to really work well, guys. So now my grease mix is ready. It's time for me to apply it to my hair. So guys, this is my hair, hair. So this is how my hair is looking like now. My hair feel really dry now, so I need to put some moisture back to my hair. I've been rocking my hair out lately since, so just to enjoy my hair for some time, because before I will put it on protective stuff. You can see how it look like now. I have a very kind of understanding hair, so when I just put water and everything just going to mellow down. So the hair was not too stubborn, not too stubborn. The hair, they understand, they maintain. So yeah, I'm just going to part my hair, guys. Guess what I'm doing today? Someone should guess. I know you guys have already saw already see the thumbnail. So now I'm be doing Africa threading today, guys. I'll be doing Africa threading today. This is my OG hair hair style that I used to do back in the days. Ask me how many years I did back in the days. So this is my grandmother hairstyle to grow her hair. So this is my mother hairstyle. This, like, people use this thread to grow their hair really fast, guys. If don't let anybody tell you that this what they call it, thread did not grow your hair, guys. Threading your hair can really help you to retain length, can really grow your hair really well. I can tell you that for free, guys, because I've used it in the past. I've used it in the past, and I can see that my hair really grew that time when I did not even know how to care for hair. Back then in Nigeria, when I don't even know how to care for hair, that is what I use every week to put my hair in a protective style. So, guys, the reason why I lose it because I it's too tight and it's drawing my edges, so that's why I decided to lose it. So if you want to make this, make sure that it's not too tight so that it will not draw your scalp. So this threading thing is really tiring, guys. My hand tired me, like I was so tired. My hand feels so weak when I was doing this. When I was doing this threading, my hand was really weak, but it's worth it. I'm going to leave my hair alone for a week, guys. So I'm going to just leave my hair alone. In case you don't know how to do threading, just keep watching. I'm going to explain everything for you guys. So threading really helps to grow your hair. So threading is so good for if you want to retain length, you want to put your hair in a protective style. If you can find someone that will help you to do it, it's really good. If you cannot find someone, just try to do it yourself. Don't make it this little. I'm trying to also use it to stretch out my hair, so don't make it this little because you are going to spend hours just making your hair. So if you want to do this style, just make sure you do it like big size, so that it will not take too much time to finish your hair. So just keep watching. I'm going to explain everything for you, how to grip it from the root and how to tie it in the end. So because some people don't really know how to make this Africa threading, so don't worry, I got you, we are doing it. So I'm not gonna speak with you, I don't know, I got you, where is it from? So I'm just going to start it now. So I'm just going to. I remember when we were doing live stream. I got you. Hi, I got you. I remember, I got you. That's where it's from. I got you. Got me back. God have mercy. So now, guys, let me just tell you how to start everything. Just first of all, spray some water to your hair. Spray some water to your hair to moisturize your hair. Water is good to moisturize our hair. Then when you are done, just work the water into your hair just like so. Yeah, work it in, work it in, work it in. We're going to get that length. We're going to get it. So now I'm just going to apply my grease to my hair. So when I'm done, I'm going to use the grease on my scalp just now. Just work the grease into your hair very well, as you can see me doing right now. Work it in, then you grab your thread. No, first of all, you have to detangle your hair. So to make it tangle free, you have to detangle your hair first. After detangling your hair, now you can grab your thread or your wool or anything, baby wool, any other wool. Then guys, you want to do this, you you make sure that you have like thread uh, extra thread attached to your hair, so that is the only way that the thread can stay without pulling out. So if you want the thread to if you want to start gripping it from the root, you have to make sure that you have some extra thread on your hair. So you are going to hold the hair and the extra thread together, so that the thread that you are going to use to be threading your hair will not pull out. So that's how you grip it from the root. Then you keep threading it just like so, threading it. When you get to the top, you just secure it, and then you have your threading, you have your Africa threading style. It's so simple, guys, because I know it's hard because it take me a lot of time to learn this process, to learn this hairstyle back then in Nigeria, because it was so really hard for me. I have to just calm down because there's one lady in front of my house that used to make hair, so I learned a lot from her. I learned something from her. I learned how to make hair. I learned how to do some kind of thing like a weaving, but I'm still learning. I'm still learning. That's She's really good in making hair, so I learned a lot from her. So now I'm just going to tie it. Because if you want to tie it, you first of all, maybe the thread is not enough. Maybe your hair is longer than the first thread, so you want to take another thread to attach to the hair. Then you can continue threading your hair again. So guys, if you cannot understand what I'm saying, just look. Just look and you will understand what I am doing. Okay, now you have to just take it and cross your finger. Hey God, guys, just look and you will understand. So when you take it and use it to cross your finger, that means at the end, when there is no hair for you to hold again, you can hold that thread that you used to cross your fingers. You can see that's what I'm trying to hold, because there is no hair for me to hold. That thread is what I will hold now, so that I can still secure it. Then when you want to secure it, take your first finger, then you twist it around. You use the same finger to bring it out, then you use the other hand to take the thread out, and you secure it just like so, guys. Just the way you see me doing it. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. If it's not clear, you can wash it again and again and again and again until you get it. Okay. So now here we go. I'm just going to go off camera to finish the rest. When I am done, I will be back on camera. So guys, I'm done. This took me like almost 3 hours, guys. Yeah, almost 3 hours. So here we are now. I am done um dreading my hair. So this is how it look like now. Just going to leave it to be protective style. So I've secured this side together. So I'm also going to show you how I secure the other side together, because I don't want to be like this. So if you have extra hand at home, it's going to be really helpful. Like the person can help you to just make it very fine and neat. So now I'm just going to secure all of them together with my thread, as you can see me doing right there. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really appreciate you guys so much, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Sorry I did not welcome you guys at the first intro. I'm so sorry. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, you are also welcome. If you are returning, you are also welcome. Thank you so much. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. So now when you are done, you just grab your scissor and trim out the excess thread. So now everything is done. So this is how my hair is looking like now. So guys, this is what I'm saying. If you have an extra hand at home, the person can just help you to secure everything together. It's just going to be a beautiful Africa trendy hairstyle. As you can see, you see, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, man. So you don't have extra hand. The person can help you to secure everything. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. So me and myself, oh, I don't have extra hand to help me, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Just going to leave it like this, as you can see, like that, like this, like this. My edges are doing well, like that Damatol is working. So my edges are doing well. I don't have any problem with that. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Shakara baby, shakara baby, shakara, shakara make you shakara. Bye bye. See you guys in my next one. Ciao ciao.